Hello everybody, I thought I'd come on and show you the journal. Okay, and all finished. Yeah, I ran out of time, so I had to get on with it. And that's the front, that's what I've done. And I used that little bit of paper that I said about in my other video, just there. So, yeah. Alright, what size is it? Can't remember. Let's have a look. I know it's got 2-inch spine, 5.5 by 7 3/4. Okay, and it's got seam binding closure. All right, hopefully I get this right, because you can quite easily get into a knot. There we go. Let's do it like that. Perfect. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, it still quite springs open quite a bit there, but right, that's the pocket I've done on the inside there, and that was the bit of snippet I had left. There. And all the tags have been backed and everything. Okay, let's just get that in frame. Okay. A lot of this I've shown, so just sort of went along and finished it off really, because it was all but finished and I showed you last time. So, and I got one of those nice charms on there, and it's blue, which is nice. Decorated tag there. I just made that out one of the pages. And these I've shown how to do all those. There, and then I'll put a bit of snippet on that one, on that envelope, and dangle there. Belly band there with a little snippet up the top, and nice big journaling card. Yeah. That's the envelopes that I've shown how to do. And there. And these have worked out lovely. And still can write over that. There's a little envelope insert put in. Yeah, I like the way that turned out. Those little envelopes, the traces, they were great. And there we go, centre of the signature, which I thought looked lovely. That's the other side of the envelope. Yeah. And then one of the snippets on that page there. There, and then I've done a little flip out there. It just sits in there, a little snippet there just to keep it closed. And that's part of the snippet there. Again, there was a video on that. And another one there. And these are the big pockets that I show people making to make out of newspaper, and they look absolutely brilliant in here, and they worked out really good. There's another big pocket here, loads of tags and everything in. Okay, because the first page is about, I reckon that's about 160. Yeah, so that I like to put a big pocket on the inside of those. A nice big journaling tag out of one of Tracie's pages. Now just put that little thing there. And there. And this slips out. And then you've got journaling cards in there. And put a little snippet here, and then it's nice. This is opens out. Yeah. And that sits in there quite nicely. Snippet there. And down there. One of the envelopes we made with a dangle. There we go. And then there. And the tags are made. I have the collage papers again. That looks good on the middle there. Belly band going that way with a bit of the bit of snippet. I think this one was a tall envelope, Tracie Fox's, so I just cut it down and then made a tag out of it, and then just put that in there. Oh, can't get that back in now. Oh, there we go. It's there. And that's a paper clip embellishment where I just made one of the snippets into that, so it just slides off. And that was my favourite one. I pop that in. And again, that was another bit of snippet roll. You saw me make that one. One of the envelopes. Yeah, one of Tracie's pages. And then that was my page, and then put vellum and everything on and made a nice big tag out of that. I like that one. Okay, another envelope. And then in here I done a little pocket here out of a snippet, and just pop two things in there like that. And then in here I got a nice big journaling card and a little bit of clip. Okay, and that sits in there really nicely. And there's the back. Yeah. Okay, well, that's that one done. So yes, I have a couple of days off now because it's a weekend anyway, but I have a couple of days off and then start something new next week. Okay, thank you very much for watching then, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.